How to fix try again letter restrict activity problem on the Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Instagram, and here you have to go to your profile. Now once you're in, you have to click on these three horizontal lines and go on the settings and the privacy. Now once you're in, you have to go on the scroll down, and here is the option of the help. Now you have to report a problem, and here you have to add a report. Now you have to include and continue. Here you have to briefly explain your problem. You have to write a problem that is, my account has been restricted, please help me to solve my problem. After this you have to upload a screenshot of this and send it. Now the second method is, you have to go back and open your phone settings. Here you have to go on your app management and click on the app settings. Now once you're in, you have to find out the Instagram or search for the Instagram. Here you have to go on your storage and the cache and clear the cache. After clearing the cache, you have to restart your Instagram and open it. So yeah, this is how you can restrict certain activity on your Instagram.